2020 BMW 5 Series. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It delivers power and performance along with tons of features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.